Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome for the first time. Either way, I'm super happy you're here. We are going to do a gel mani today, therefore I need to get my gel base on. I do already have my peel base on, so while I'm doing this, I just wanted to say I missed you guys. I hope you guys missed me too. I know it's been a hot minute since I have posted a full video. I have posted a reel or two by now. Um, Not a reel, sorry, a short. I get all the different platforms so confused. Anyway, I have not been feeling very good physically, which means I haven't been feeling very good mentally. And every time I sit down to do a video and I get my nails done, I am just not happy with the outcome. And I think that's a lot to do with just I have not been doing very good mentally or physically. My surgery in November cannot come soon enough. They called me about a week and a half ago. They had a cancellation and they wanted to see if I wanted to come in early, which I had put myself on the cancellation list. But unfortunately, I was taking my son back to Washington that night and he wasn't going to be back until right before the surgery, and I really need him here after I have my surgery because I'm not going to be able to take care of my dogs or my rabbits for a few days. So I need him here to help out with the animals. So that was a no-go, unfortunately, because I really need this done and over with so I can just get back to feeling like myself. Anyway, we are going to do a fun, I'm sure you guys saw the thumbnail. We're going to do a fun spooky mani-ish using Beetles gel polish. This is pink. I will have the numbers down and I will link them if they're still available, but I bought these years ago, so I'm not sure if they're going to be available or not, but it's just a light pink. I mean, a light pink and an orange is what I'm using. But I got these stickers off iGel Beauty. Hopefully they're still available and I can link them. If not, you can find Halloween stickers everywhere. Amazon, uh, probably AliExpress, although I don't really shop on there anymore. Temu, all the fun stuff. And I'm sure iGel has a ton of them. I just don't know if they have these ones. I think I'm on my second coat now, I hope. So cure 60 seconds in between. Yes, I am doing my second coat. I wasn't even watching. I was too busy talking. So yeah, I will link everything that is available down below. I will also link my Amazon storefront. Hopefully by the time I post this video, I have it all set up. I did apply a couple days ago. Finally, I've been wanting to do it for a while and I don't know, I haven't done it. And then I finally did it, but I didn't have internet. So I had to wait. I just got my internet words, Jill, words, back yesterday. So yes, I will be hopefully getting that all set up today and you guys can shop on there if you want to. If you do, it is affiliate, so I do make, I think, a small commission. Again, this is brand new to me, but I'm trying to be transparent. So I do know if you shop using my storefront, I will make something. I think it's pretty minimal. And if you do, I appreciate it. If you don't, that's totally fine. I mean, there's no pressure. Like, it's there if you guys want it. That's it. Anyway, back to the nails. So I have not been doing my nails a ton lately, because like I said, every time I go in to do them, I'm sadly disappointed. But I've been going back and forth. I've been doing some gel, I've been doing some dip, and yeah, that's kind of where we're at. Have these full cover tips on that are a little bit needing maybe a tiny fill, and that's only because of filing the cuticle area. That's the negative with doing the full cover tips, in my opinion, is because I switch out my nails so often. It's not like I put a set of Gel X on, not that I use the actual Aprasis. Anyway, I put a set on and then I put peel base on and then I do my nails, and then like the day after, or maybe sometimes 2 or 3 days, I take them off and there's usually a little bit of like residue down by the cuticle or on the sidewalls. So then I have to file and then I do that again, rinse and repeat over and over again. And, yeah, it kind of deteriorates the cuticle area and the sidewalls. So I just need to kind of like fill in a little bit just to make them a little bit more flush with the rest of the nail. I don't know if that's the right word that I'm looking for. But anyway, now I'm doing the orange on the pink nails. And I'm just kind of doing this like half French like bubble look. I don't know what it's actually called. Here in a minute, I will give up on trying to use the brush. And I will pull out my palette, put a little orange on there. And I'm using the Sundara liner brush in the 15 or 20 milliliter. I can't remember. It's the same brush. One is on one end, one is on the other. And I had a much easier time going in with this. So I'm kind of glad that I gave up and did that. This is my second attempt at doing this video for this week. The first one I was going to do, and I might still do it if I can figure out, like, I don't have the proper stuff to do things with. I'm going to invest in it when I can, but right now it's just not the time. But I have black gel polish and I have liner black gel polish. But for whatever reason, whenever I go to do like art on my nails, like all I wanted was some simple spider webs that I was going to chrome. I can't make them, like, they just end up looking so, maybe I needed to use a matte top coat, but they just don't look good. Like the gel, like, what is the word I'm looking for? It kind of like spreads. Easy word. We're getting into the stickers. This is going to be a whole entire hot mess, and I'm going to let you guys watch the majority of the hot mess. But I decided I wanted to do this cat on this pinky, and I put it over too far. And so I ended up taking this off. But I'm going to let you watch me struggle before I show you that I took it off. And then I just put some like pumpkins and a little skull and some stars on it. But I wasn't recording, and I did not realize that. So while I'm doing this, I'm going to keep saying what I was saying. I need like actual like thicker like gel nail art stuff. I know there's stuff. I don't have it. So hopefully I will be able to get it. But for right now, I don't have it. So I may try something else. It was a really, really pretty look. It just didn't work out. So yeah. Maybe I can do it in the next one. Although I do spider webs on every single Halloween mani I do, because it's the only thing I really like about Halloween is like creepy spiders. I love spiders. I love spider webs. I think they're so pretty. So I'm trying to like do a little bit of stuff different. But on that note, I am probably, at least until I'm fully recovered from my surgery, only going to post once a week for now. It's going to probably be on Thursday. I was going to do Wednesday because then it was the middle of the week, but I do one color Wednesday, and well, I'm not going to post a video of me doing one color, and I really hate posting two things on Instagram in one day. So I think I'm going to do Thursdays, but for the time being, I'm only going to post once a week. It's just, right now with the way I'm feeling, it's just too much to try to commit to 2 days a week, and I really don't want to try to commit to something that I just physically can't really keep up with right now. So I did end up having to buff off the pinky, and then I just reapplied some different stickers, went much better. These stickers are so sticky and so good, but the problem is I'm struggled so hard getting any of them to lay flat, except the little tiny ones. Those were fine. But like, I think every single nail except the one I do the spider web on ends up having like this crease in it. I am able to cover it up with gel base and gel top coat so that you can't really see it, but I can still feel it, which is kind of annoying. So it is what it is. Gel stickers are not the easiest. Nail stickers are not the easiest to use. But yeah, I struggled extra hard with these. I think the thing I was thinking of was like potted gel paints, like something that has like, they're a little more viscous, they're a little thicker, so that when you do any kind of line work or anything like that, they just look really bold and sharp and like skinny. That was my problem. Like the gel paint or the gel polish, the black gel polish, even when I mixed it with top coat, which I guess it was just so, it just smeared and like spread, and like then it looked all thick, and it looked horrible. So I really need to invest in, I mean, I want to invest in a lot of gel stuff. The thing is, for the last 2.5, 3 years, I have thought, clearly it's not true. I obviously, nobody can tell me otherwise. I never had a gel allergy. Look at, I mean, my nails have never been, my skin around my nails is so flippin' healthy right now. Ignore the little scratches. My cat got a little feisty with me, but I do have a little scratch on my cuticle and one on like my knuckle of my ring finger. But that's just from playing a little too much with my cat. But I don't have a gel allergy. I clearly never did. Maybe I'm still allergic to the gel that I thought I was. Maybe I'm not. I think I'm going to give it a little test. I will have peel base on, so if I have a problem, boom, off it goes and no issue. But I don't think I ever had one. But because of this, I have not touched or bought or purchased anything gel related until very recently. And my funds are pretty limited. I stay home. My fiance works. And we're saving up to get our own property because right now we live on my mom's property in our own space. So I don't just have money to throw around. Like, that's why I don't ever really buy new dips or anything like that. I kind of only buy the necessities, and every once in a while I get a little bit of fun. Yes, I took the thumbnail off. That was just, the sticker was too big. It was not going to work. So I'm putting this one on, and then I'll put a little bat on. But anyway, I need to invest in like more current gel stuff. I want gel polishes. I want all the magnets. I only have 2 magnetic polishes, and that's because the set that I originally had kind of went bad. It was a really cheap set off Amazon, so I did end up throwing that out. I'm not going to put stuff on my nails. From one, it was a very off brand, and for two, it had gotten really thick and goopy. I'm not going to mess with that. The last thing I want to do is give myself a gel allergy. Now that I know I don't actually have one, I'm not trying to like give myself one. So, but I do want to invest in like gel stuff that's going to help me do the kind of things that I want to do. I do want to learn a lot more and play with it a lot more. Anyway, all that being said, I don't have the proper stuff to do a lot of the things that I want to do. So I'm going to have to try other ways. And stickers is a great way. Decals, great. Stamping, great. I can do all the nail art I want with all of that stuff without any issues. So I put on my gel base off camera, and that's just because it's virtually the same thing as gel top coat, but the gel top coat is prettier. So I'm just going to do the gel top coat. We did the thumb. I cured that separately. I always cure my thumb separate, 60 seconds. And now I'm going to go in and I'm going to top coat the rest. I'm sorry if I have rambled a lot. It's been a minute. As you guys know, I haven't posted in, I don't know, I think it's been almost 2 weeks. So, I'm a little rambly, and I will try not to be so rambly in the next video, which will be next Thursday, just for the record. Anyway, yeah, we're just about done. I actually still have this on my hands, and I'm just staring at them. They did turn out super cute and a little bit different from what I normally do, but I'm hoping to do a couple more Halloween manis, and then I want to switch back to fall because I feel like I didn't even do fall nails. Like, I did like 2 sets, and then boom, all of a sudden it was like October, and it's like, okay, now we're doing Halloween nails. So I don't know how you guys feel about that, but I feel like fall just got kind of like looked over, so I kind of want to get back into fall nails. But it is October, so I want to put some inspo out for you guys if you're struggling with inspiration on what to do for Halloween nails. But this is the finished look. And of course, we're going to go in and rehydrate our nails, skin around our nails with our cuticle oil. This is Crypt Serum from Nailzinacoffin. I did take it out of the bottle or the roller ball and put it in one of these dropper bottles I had, just because I really like to have a little bit more sometimes. So that was warm vanilla sugar, I believe. It's amazing. Coffin 20 saves, you guys. Don't miss out on the Crypt Serum. It's so good. And check out the decals while you're there. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Bye.